Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, and welcome to another video. So they finally got it back in stock. The cordless pruning saw 20 volt or the cordless mini chainsaw 20 volt from Parkside, and the model number is PGHSA 20 LI B2. The maximum cutting length is 16 centimeters, or the maximum diameter is 16 centimeters, which you can saw. It's been delivered without the battery and without a charger. Has a 3-year warranty, and it comes with this lubricating oil and this protection cap. So I'm gonna give it a full test in this video to show you how it works and how strong it is. First we open up the box and take a look inside. And of course, in the plastic case with the metal hinges, this one is longer than the standard cases. Here is the manual in a multiple language, and I'm pretty sure your language will be there. Lubricating oil, chain oil, the saw, the safety cap on the top side, on the other side we have this sticker. And the manufacture date is 2023-11. So it's November 2023. Nice. If you want to lubricate it, you can do it here, but you can also do it inside here on the top side. Let's open it up now. What I wanted to show you is, normally there is a screw on the front side or somewhere here. You can tighten up the chain. This one is automatically tighten up. As you see, as I pull it, here you can see it's coming back. It's working with a spring here that's below here. And for this test, I'm going to use the 4 amp hour Bluetooth Parkside Performance battery, the X20 volt team, which you can connect with Bluetooth. So we are outside now. Let's make some cuts. Battery is fully charged. I'm just gonna operate it with one hand. And those pieces are like a diameter of 6 centimeters. This one is 5 and 15 centimeters. So we are back inside, and I can say I do like the machine. It cuts very nice. I had these pieces, those are 6 centimeters, and this one are 5 by 15 centimeters. This is not in the way, it just flips up when you're cutting. I have used the Bluetooth battery, the X20V team battery, a 4 amp hour. But of course you can also use other batteries like the 2 amp hour or the 8 amp hour or the normal X20V team batteries without Bluetooth. No problem. It doesn't use a lot of power. I made pretty much cuts and it's still completely full. So now I'm going to show you how the machine is tightening up the spring automatically, which I don't like. I prefer a screw that you can tighten up the chain by yourself. As you can see, here is a small pin, and below that pin there is a small bolt with a spring, and it makes sure that the chain is all tightened up, which you can see here. Well, what I prefer is that you have a screw here on the front side that you can tighten it up yourself. You could see in the video the chain sometimes really came loose, and that's because this is happening very easy. Remove it. Here you see the spring here, and this is what is causing that problem. For the rest, it's a very good machine. It doesn't have to be an issue, but yeah, I do like when you have a screw here so you can tighten it up yourself. And it's not easy to replace the chain because you have to put on the chain exactly on the good spot. Then you have to push it, and then you have to fall in these slots here. That's not always easy. Now it's good. Now it's back on. Make sure the chain is all connected here, and then we can put the cap on again, which goes on like this. And make sure you tighten up this one very good, and it's ready for use again. So that's it for now. I hope I gave you a very good view of this tool. For me, it's nice. You can have your opinion. Please drop it below in the comments. If you like this video, if you like the tool, please give it a like. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell. And I hope to see you in next video. Thanks for watching.